Friends, so today we can discuss about the capital budgeting. So before going to the techniques of capital budgeting, so we can know the meaning of capital budgeting. So capital budgeting, it consists of two words. One is the capital and the second one is the budgeting. Capital means it is a initial investment or the fund required to purchase a fixed assets, and also budgeting means it's about the estimation of expenses and the income for the specified period of time. So just to make a decision regarding the purchase of fixed assets or the different projects, we can use the techniques of capital budgeting. Under the capital budgeting techniques, so we have as traditional methods or the traditional techniques, and the second one is modern techniques. So traditional techniques and the modern techniques. So as the traditional techniques, so we have average rate of return. So that is ARR, or we can call as a accounting rate of return. And the second one is payback period. So that is PBP. And in case of the modern, so net present value one is, and the second one is internal rate of return, and the third one is profitability index. So these are all the techniques of capital budgeting we have. So in the today's video, we can discuss about the traditional techniques. So under the traditional techniques, so first is average rate of return or the accounting rate of return. So here accounting rate of return, so we can calculate about the return or the average return for a specified project. So it consists of the three steps. So for step 1, so under the step 1, we can calculate about the annual average earnings. So annual average earnings we can calculate. So we can calculate the annual average earnings. So after tax and the depreciation, but before the interest on long term investment. So here first the formula is total expected earnings after depreciation and taxes, but before interest. So here total expected earnings after depreciation and the taxes but before interest, and the divided by total period of the project. So this is a step 1. Under the step 1, we can calculate annual average earnings, that is total expected earnings after depreciation and tax but before interest, divided by total period of the project. This is a step 1. Next is step 2. Under the step 2, we can calculate about the average investment. So for the average investment, we can use a simple formula: half into original cost minus salvage value plus working capital. So this is a step 2. Under the step 2, we can calculate the average investment. So average investment is equal to half, that is 1/2 into original cost minus salvage value plus salvage value plus working capital. So this is the step 2. And next is you can go to the step 3. Step 3. So under the step 3, so we can calculate the ARR, that is average rate of return, ARR. So ARR, average or accounting rate of return, is equal to annual average earnings, annual average